Without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can create a private server in Steal a Brainrot. So first of all, you have to search Steal a Brainrot game, and after that you have to tap onto it, and you don't have to tap on this play button available, but what you have to do is you have to tap on this social icon available next to the play button and tap on create private server. After that, it will redirect you to a screen where you will see that you will have to have 79 Robux to create a private server in Steal a Brainrot. And this is the amount that you will have to pay every month to keep your server alive. And if you have this Robux balance available in your Roblox account, then tap on create private server. Next, it will ask you for your server name. And after writing any name like I've just typed tutorial, you have to tap on the subscribe button. And just after tapping on the subscribe button, your private server will be alive. You have to tap on these three dots available at the top right corner of your private server. And after tapping onto that, you will see this configure button, and let's configure your private server. Here you will see all the settings of your private server. If you want to keep your private server alive, you have to keep this subscription status button on. Next, you have to turn on this allow joining button if it is already turned off. And if you want your friends or connections to join your connections, you have to turn this button on. And if you want only some of your connections to join your private server, you can tap on this add people button. This screen will appear up for you where you can type in the username of your friends which you want to allow to join your server. Alternatively, you can also tap on this generate button to generate a link which you can send to people to join your server. And you can simply copy your generated link from this button. Now, after applying all the settings, you can go back and tap on this join button to join your private server and start playing. So that's how you create a private server in Steal a Brainrot. Thank you so much.